You don't need to quit your job. You need a smarter income stack because your salary is not enough in 2025. Why? Because inflation is increasing, your expenses are increasing, but your salary is almost stuck. And that's why relying just only on your salary is not safe enough. What if your skills, your time, and a smart system can help you make rupees 3 lakhs per month as a side income by just putting 10 to 12 hours per week? That's what I'm going to show you in this particular video. Step 1 is find your monetizable skills. You don't need 10 ideas, you only need one particular problem to solve. So figure out a skill that you use on a regular basis in your work that you are good at. It could be project management, it could be creating the dashboard, writing reports, anything. So ask yourself this question: what is the painful, expensive, recurring problem this solves for other people out there? And then validate this problem with your right target audience. Now, when I'm talking about the target audience, a lot of people might be having this question, though, Sachin, how should I find my target audience? That's what all about in the second step. So the second step is identifying the right target audience for yourself. So first of all, you should remember that don't serve everyone, because those who serve everyone, they don't serve anyone. So pick up a niche that needs it and also willing to pay for the value that you are providing them. And if they can pay you for that, so for this thing you can easily validate this by running some short polls, quick quizzes, or even you can do a one-on-one clarity call with them, and this will give you a lot of insight. We call it a primary research. And when you do these one-on-one calls and these polls, this will help you understand your target audience better, their pain points better, their challenges better, so that based on that you can create the right product for them that will solve their real problem. Third step is build a simple outcome-based digital product. Create a digital product that transforms the life of people who will be using it, not just inform them. What you can do, you can craft it like a journey that can transform the life of the people using your product. And what digital product that you can create, it could be ebooks, it could be templates, it could be worksheets, it could be mini courses, it could be dashboards, it could be tools. And my personal favorite is that stacking all these products together to make it a premium thing, because when you will stack the multiple products together, you can charge high for that. And always remember that speed always wins. Don't get into the loop or into that paralysis of making it a perfect product. No, launch an MVP, minimum viable product, fast, and then you can later on make it perfect, but don't wait for the perfection. Fourth step is grow influence and trust. Higher the visibility that you will be having, higher the revenue, because more the people will see you on social media, more they will trust you, and more they will be willing to buy from you. So apply a simple 7-11-4 formula. 7 hours of content, 11 touch points that the customer should get from you, and also you should be having a presence over 4 platforms. So this is something that I learned from a book called Oversubscribed. There is this formula mentioned, and you can also dive deeper into this by searching on the Google 7-11-4 formula. So for the higher visibility, you need to post 3 times per week over either on the LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or any other social media platform where your target audience exists or they hangs out. It is very important for you to understand that where your target audience hangs out. If you are targeting the working professional, they will be primarily find them over the LinkedIn. If you are targeting the businesses, they will be on the LinkedIn. But if you are targeting the Gen Z, you will find them primarily on the Instagram or some other social media handles. So you need to understand that where your target audience hangs out, and then based on create more content over there and influence them more to gain the trust and the revenue. Also, you can build the trust with them by sharing the proofs, the results, and also the behind the scene moments as well. That will also build more trust among the watchers. Fifth step is automate sales with a simple funnel. Make a floor mill, atta chakki for your leads through a funnel. Anyone who is entering into your funnel should be nurtured so well that he or she should buy your product eventually. So that is something that is really important. And to create this funnel, First of all, at the top, you can create some sort of the free lead magnet that will get the potential customers into the funnel, and then you can nurture through the WhatsApp or the email sequences in such a way that end result will be that they will buy your product. Step 6 is deliver the best value. Once you have onboarded the customer, your aim should be to deliver them 10x value, at least 10x for what they have paid you. Because if you are not delivering, always over deliver. There's a simple rule that you should have, and always blow their mind with the value, because more value you will provide them, the more results. The business simple formula is great delivery is equal to higher the referrals plus repeat buyers plus more success stories, and these things will help you in growing your business a lot. Step 7 is set up the system and buy back your time. Your eventual objective should be not just to make money, but from that money you should be enjoying that money as well and achieve the time freedom. So don't get into that mindset that I will do everything. So that's why you should hire the teams, you should hire the agencies, you should hire the freelancers who can help you out in doing the things, and your focus should be that you should not be focusing on the mundane task or the repeated things. You should be focusing primarily on delivering the value only on the growth related tasks. And you should build your system in such a way that even if you will not be there, your system should run without any failure. Consider it like a Starbucks. Even a 5th class student can also run a Starbucks because it is having a process, and just no brainer, just anyone can do that. So always have this thought in your mind as well, so that eventually you will enjoy that money by achieving the time freedom from that. So you have got the skills that have already generated crores for your boss, for your companies. Now it's time for you to build your own empire. Stop renting out your knowledge, build your digital assets, and build your own side income stream. I've helped professionals like you go from ₹0 to 3 lakhs per month in just 6 months using the same process. And here's the bitter truth, that you don't lack the time. A lot of people have this thing, okay, I don't have the time. No, you don't lack the time, you lack the right process or right system. That's the only thing that you are lacking. So if you are ready to build your 3 lakhs per month of side income business for you without quitting your job, then link in the description and book a one-on-one demo call with us, where my team will create a personalized step-by-step plan for you to transform your expertise into a revenue generating machine without quitting your job. So let's build your side paycheck together.